Hi, I'm Tom. I work as marketing executive with Thailand team for like 5 months already. I saw that working with Aonic would be like a great chance to get myself used to the technology like drones. We can see that nowadays our life get disturbed in many ways and all the time by new technologies. Drone will become more and more efficiencies to be used in new fields. So working at Aonic will allow me to explore more and learn more about drone technologies. In the next few years, drone will become like the tools that support the precision farming approach and also push our farmer lifestyle in Thailand to be more sustainable. While working here at Aonic, you need to go to the field. You need to collect data from like agriculture sites or farmers and so on to merge it with your marketing strategy. In terms of like our dynamic team between Thailand and Malaysia side, we can share some data that Malaysia side cannot gather in their territory, and also like what Thailand lacks for sharing the experiences. Since like we need to figure it out and find a way to localize our contents or our marketing approach to use it in a different kind of location. So I would say that people in Aonic have a very strong sense of what great team will look like. With varieties of marketing field, I put my hands on, whether it is like a content marketing, digital marketing, or physical marketing. I saw that there are still plenty of room left to learn and to grow here. And I hope that my contribution in terms of marketing executive here will support farmers in Thailand to be more adaptable for the new technologies, whether it is agri-tech, precision farming, or newest approach in terms of agriculture farming, and prepare themselves for the technological disruption in the future. So for people who are looking for like a dynamic team and super productive working environment, come join us. That's cool. I don't think it's not a cool answer.